So as you can see the structure, we have the metallization. You know why the metallization and etching is used. Even you know how why the isolation is provided, right? One extra is heat sink, that is durability, okay, for long life of the LED. We use it. This is your light emitting surface. Just because ये जो active layer है ये और light emitting surface है, because of this etching what will happen, आपका ये जो face है it will be exposed and you can get this into the optical fiber. You can couple this power into the optical fiber. This is the structural details. This is your double heterojunction layer, which we have just now seen. You have here, please add one more layer because I forgot. You have this N type here. You should have one more P type here. Then these two confinement layers. Okay. In this configuration, a circular well is etched through the substrate. You can see there is a circular, semicircular, okay, circular etching is there of the device into which the fiber is then cemented. Okay, यहाँ से आप इसको यहाँ पर extend कर सकते हो. ये जो surface exposed है जहाँ से light आएगी उसको आप optical fiber से couple कर सकते हो in order to accept the light. Okay. The emission pattern is isotropic. So you know what is an isotropic point source, right? Which will emit light in all directions, equally in all directions. That is isotropic, and it has got the half power beam width of 120 degrees. We call this type of pattern isotropic hai and HPBW 120 degrees hai. We call it Lambertian pattern. Okay. To increase the carrier density, जो active region में recombinations होंगे, carriers accumulate होंगे, to increase that and hence recombinations, the light emitting area, it is restricted to a circle of diameter 20 to 50 micrometer. ये जो exposed area है, okay, active region as small as possible, okay, within the range 20 to 50. A light emitting area, sorry, this one, not the active region, this red color which I have shown you, okay, this diameter, okay, ये circular है, diameter in the sense क्योंकि obviously optical fiber connect कर रहे हो आप तो circular ही होगा वो. Here the plane of the light emitting active region, it is perpendicular to the axis of the fiber. Obvious है ये जो है इसका plane ऐसे होगा, okay, this, and आपका fiber axis ऐसे होगा. So both are perpendicular to each other. This is I have shown you the pattern, emission pattern. Isotropic है, it will radiate uniformly in all directions. And half power beam width, actually ऐसे आना चाहिए, ये 60 degrees होगा, so this will be 120 degrees. So this is your HPBW. Here the source is equally bright when viewed from any direction. So isotropic है. But however, the power decreases as a cos theta. Lambertian pattern है ये. इसमें क्या होगा? You have the brighter source and the brightness is equally divided. Okay, it is isotropic. It radiates uniformly in all directions. However, obviously, as the distance goes, the power decreases as a cos theta. Okay, theta is the angle between the viewing direction and the normal to the surface. SI2 layer, why we have used, you know about it, why insulation is required. Okay, metal and the P type of the material. You can increase the efficiency of this structure by using the micro lenses. Okay, they may be placed on the LED to improve the efficiency. And epoxy resin we have used, adhesive. ये इससे क्या होगा? Fiber will be attached to your LED. Okay, it used to couple the fiber to the emitter surface. This is about the first type. Coming to the second one, that is surface emitting LED we have discussed. Edge emitting LED you can see, okay. You have many layers here. ये metallization है, you can see. There is a metallization. ये जो region है, okay, those three regions, they are the heterojunction structure. At this center, you can see there is an active region. एंड ये जो दो लेयर्स हैं, these two, they are light guiding layers or confinement layers. Okay, earlier we have seen what are the confinement layers. You have heat sink also here, durability, you have the metallization. After each structure you have the metallization. Observe here, you have a substrate here. Okay, this is a substrate. 5 layers होने चाहिए, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Fine. You can see active region से जो भी beam निकल रहा है, it is not isotropic. Earlier जो surface emitting LED में हमने देखा, it is uniform, isotropic, but here it is elliptical in shape. Okay, and ये जो भी इसका plane है, we will see about that. Okay, so this is the structure. Many layers are there. You have the metallization layer, 2 confinement layers. At the center you have the active layer. The structure consists of active region. यहाँ पर जो which I have shown you here, this is your active region. This is your active region, which is the source of incoherent light, and 2 light guiding layers. तो ये जो confinement layers हैं, they are the light guiding layers. These guiding layers, okay, there's a condition here. जो आप layers use कर रहे हैं, light guiding layers, their refractive index matters here. It should be lower than the active region. जो आप ये confinement layers use कर रहे हो, इसके refractive index active region से कम होने चाहिए. But उनके refractive indices, ये जो उनके just presiding layers हैं, इसकी immediately जो भी surrounding layer है, ये वाला and ये वाला, these two ये जो layers के refractive index हैं, उससे ज्यादा होना चाहिए. Active region से कम, but surrounding layer से ज्यादा. That is the condition. The guiding layers have the refractive index lower than the active region, but higher than the refractive index of the surrounding material. The structure forms a waveguide channel that directs the optical radiation towards the fiber core. The lengths of the active regions, they usually range from 100 to 150 micrometer, or generally in practice. Emission pattern, okay, talking about this, जो elliptical shape है, talking about this pattern of the LED, it is more directional, मतलब बहुत focused रहता है, and it is not isotropic. It is more directional than the surface emitter. Earlier it was isotropic. If you see in the plane parallel to the junction, the emitted beam is Lambertian. Earlier when how we saw. If you see junction कहाँ पे form हो रहा है? Let me take. These are the junctions. Okay, parallel to the junctions means horizontal like this. Try to understand. Horizontally मैं ले रही हूँ. So here it is parallel. So it will follow Lambertian. मतलब यहाँ पर क्या होगा? The power distribution will be Lambertian, which decreases as cos theta. We have seen in the earlier structure. So that is Lambertian. If the plane perpendicular to the junction, जो भी beam emit होगा, it is Lambertian. And if the plane perpendicular to the junction यहाँ पे है, this is your junction, right? If you take it perpendicular above, it is something like this. यहाँ पर एक plane है perpendicular, okay? ये junction है आपका. Here the half power beam width, it can be made as small as 25 to 35. Earlier Lambertian में कितना था? It was 120 degrees half power beam width. Here it is 25 to 35 degrees by proper choice of waveguide thickness. So layers जो आप use कर रहे हैं, by choosing the proper thickness, we can adjust this half power beam width. And if the numerical aperture is low, that is active region का, then the edge emitting LED, it couples more power. This is a good condition. Numerical aperture should be low to get high power coupling. Okay. So this is about 2 types of LEDs. So what all we have covered in today's session? The first one about the basics of LED. Okay, what is an LED symbol? How the structure? Okay. And then coming to the LED structures, we have seen the heterojunction LED, important one. It has got 5 layers, you can see. Normally, you'll be getting in the PN junction, P-type and N-type. But here, you have heterojunction structure, 5 different layers you can see with the 2 junctions. This is your P-type, this is your N-type. These two are the alloys, and they are the confinement layers. Center one, active layer. We have seen how the structure, what is the, how in the forward bias, how it works. Coming to the types of LEDs, we have discussed surface LED and edge LED. Okay, this is your surface LED. This is your edge LED. Okay. In the next session, we will be covering the LED materials. Okay, LED source materials. That is gallium arsenide and all what we have seen. We will be looking into that, and some of the parameters. Just like every device has got its own parameters, they are characterized by few parameters like its efficiency, kitna power hai, kitna coupling hai, those things. So we will be looking into those characteristics also, that is efficiency and radiance and all, in the next session.